can understand everything. Okay,
I see.
right now I am able to reply any kind of sentence, and I can make any kind of English sentence, and I can speak as well, sir. As you can see.
So, could you please tell me?
So how can I?
Could you please tell me how you improve? Have you improved your English by watching videos, by talking, by practicing, by reading? Have you improved your English? Tell
Okay,
me,
sir.
tell the people.
Definitely, I would say, sir. Actually, everything is going on good because actually I was eagerly waiting for getting your call, sir.
Sorry.
For getting your call, sir. Actually, I'm right now. I'm getting little bit nervous because I don't know.
Why?
I
Why?
don't. I don't know, sir. I don't know. But actually, I'm forgetting everything. Okay, sir.
Don't try to recall. Don't forget. Try to recall.
Okay, sir. I'm trying. I'm
I
trying.
I think you were sleeping. I think you were sleeping.
Yes.
Why you were
I just,
sleeping? You
I
are
just,
not on duty.
no.
I see. I think today you have off.
Yes.
I see. And where are you right now? This is your room. Where are you right now? This is your
Yes,
room.
yes. This is my room, sir. And what about
Absolutely.
you? How are you, sir? How are you?
I am very well. Thank you, Mr. Patra. I am very well. I am very well, sir. Thank you
Okay,
very much for asking. Yes.
okay, sir. So, so how are you? How are you free right now?
Sorry.
I said, how are you free right now, sir?
This is wrong question, sir. This is wrong question. Your question
Okay,
is wrong.
yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Ask
actually,
me in
yeah. I
Hindi.
want to. Yes. I want to ask you, how did you get time to have a conversation with me right now?
I see.
Because
Yes. Well,
because because you are a so busy person. Okay, sir.
well, I have given you my word. I have given you my word. That's why I
Okay,
am here. You know, did
okay.
you remember? Did you remember that I have told
Yes,
you that
yes.
I will talk to you. Definitely, I will talk to you.
Okay. That time my network was not strong. Okay, but
Yes, that
but
time.
right now my network is a little bit good. Okay, that's why I'm
Yeah,
talking with you.
yes,
Yes.
absolutely. So I have given you my promise. That's why I'm here today, right now.
Yes. Actually, after getting your call, I'm getting nervous. Actually, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it is happening with me, sir.
No, it's normal.
I
It's a
don't know
normal. I understand.
how I don't know how is it happening with me by
Mm-hmm.
talking to you, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting nervous little bit.
Mm-hmm. I see.
I,
I
I
see.
feel I feel little bit awkward.
Go and drink some water then. Drink some water.
No, no. There is no need to have drink. Okay, sir. So how are
Uh-huh.
you? How is going on your teaching skills, sir, nowadays?
Yes, excellent, 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 fantastic,
Okay,
fantastic. Yes,
okay. Everything is going on good.
yes, everything is good. Everything is under control. What about you? How is your duty going on? You tell me.
Yeah, as previously, I'm doing my duty, and
Hmm.
I'm watching your all videos on YouTube, sir.
No, no, no. I watch. I'm not. You should not say I am watching.
Okay.
But
Because
you are talking.
still now, sir. Because still now, I'm watching your video. Because
Okay.
before a while, I was watching your videos.
So you instead of this, you should use this word. I have been watching your video.
Yes,
I
yes,
have
yes.
been. Instead
Yeah,
of I am watching, you
yes,
could say I have
yes.
been watching your videos. This is
Yeah,
suitable, I think.
definitely. It would be better, sir. Okay.
Yes, because right now you are talking with me. You are not watching the video. You are
Yes.
talking with me right now, isn't it?
Okay,
I'm
sir.
sorry for that.
No. There is no need to sorry to say me.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so sir, so actually, so nowadays, what is your strategy to speak English? So because you are speaking like native speaker, okay. So actually, please let me know actually what is the genuine thing that you are talking like a native speaker, and I can't believe at myself that I'm talking with you like a native speaker. Okay, in front of a native speaker. That's why I'm getting little bit nervous before I told you, sir. I don't know. So, what is your strategy to speak like native speaker, sir? Please, because
Do you,
because yeah, because all most of Indian people are watching your all videos.
mm-hmm.
Okay, sir, on
Yeah.
YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
and they are inspiring from you, sir. Okay,
I
sir.
see. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you are motivating to all Indian peoples, and
Yeah,
as you created a channel like app like Hybro application. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
nowadays every people are using that application, Hybro application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, even I'm
Yeah.
I'm using also that application,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, I got lots of partner by using
Mm.
that application, sir.
Yes,
And
yes. Thank you.
I'm really enjoying by using that application, sir, because I have got lots of people over there, sir.
Really,
Yeah.
that's great. That's a fantastic. That's a fantastic.
And
Thank.
yeah, definitely, I would say that, sir. I would definitely say that, sir. You are working good work for our
Mm-hmm.
Indian. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, absolutely. This is not enough. I want to do more. I want to do
Yes, yes.
more. For
Definitely,
our people.
definitely, definitely, sir. You will get lots
Mm,
of achievement. Okay, sir. As
yes,
you are
yes,
doing nowadays. Yeah.
mm-hmm.
So actually, please don't take it to heart. Okay, I'm
Mm.
gonna to ask you related your personal like. Are you still driving auto or not, sir?
No, no, I don't drive. I don't drive anymore. I teach the student. I have some
Only.
student. Yeah, I don't drive anymore. Why would I drive now? I am a skilled person now. I know
Okay.
English. Why would I drive? So now I teach, I make YouTube video, and I'm
Okay.
studying in 12th standard. I have just
Okay.
recently taken an admission in 12th standard. So
Okay.
I'm a YouTuber, I'm a teacher, I'm a student, you know,
Okay. Yes, 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 sir. I
everything.
can
I'm
understand,
a
sir. I'm getting.
vlogger.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Actually, after watching your all videos on YouTube, like
Mm,
you are talking with like abroad person from abroad
mm,
person, you are talking
mm.
with them. Okay, after watching your all videos, okay, sir. I'm drastically improving my English. Okay,
That's great.
because
That,
because I was not able to speak in English little bit. Okay, nowadays I
yeah,
can speak English after watching your videos, sir.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
I feel like comfortable to talk with someone, and I can understand. Even I can understand if you are saying me in English something. Okay, I can understand everything.
I
Okay,
see.
right now I am able to reply of your any kind of sentence, and I can make any kind of English sentence, and I can speak as well, sir. As you can see.
So, could you please tell
So
me,
how can I improve?
could you
Okay.
please tell me how you improved your English by watching videos, by talking, by practicing, how by reading? Have you improved your English? You tell
Okay,
me,
sir.
tell the
Okay,
people.
definitely, I would say. Actually, when I was initial stage, okay, in English, okay,
Mm-hmm.
actually, I'm talking about my when I was in college life. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that time I used to read English newspaper, the Hindu.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Even
Yes.
nowadays, I can understand English newspaper.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I know that I have that
Mm.
capability to understand English newspaper, but I
Mm.
was not able to speak in English. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I completed grammatical skill, but I did not speak with someone in English. I never tried that. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. That's
Yeah.
that's the reason behind it. I could not become a fluent person nowadays. That's
I
why
see.
I'm feeling bad. Okay, because I did
Yeah.
not try that. Okay, and that days I was watching YouTube like English movies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Yeah.
I was reading English newspaper. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
after
Mm-hmm.
then gradually I became strong in grammar. Okay, but I could not
Yeah.
speak with someone fluently.
Mm-hmm. I see.
That was my huge mistake. Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
That's why I did not become nowadays like a fluent speaker. I can speak fluently. Okay,
I see.
so that's why I'm so
Absolutely.
sad. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
But now you have opportunity. I have
Yes, yes,
provided
yes,
you a Hybro application. It's a
yes,
fantastic
yes.
application,
I
isn't
know,
it?
sir. It is better application, and because if we are finding a person, because that days actually we did not have like internet facility. Okay,
Yes, yeah,
and we
absolutely.
did not have any friends who can talk with me in English.
Yes, absolutely,
But
absolutely.
nowadays we have everything like
Yes,
your channel.
yes, absolutely. Even,
Okay.
even, even. Look, there are some people there
Yes.
in you will get everything on internet, like if you
Yes.
wanted
Yes.
to be a scientist, if you wanted to
Yes.
be a doctor, whatever
Yes.
you wanted to be and whatever you wanted to do, you will get
Yes.
each and everything on a YouTube, on the internet. But majority of the people, they misuse the social platform. Even though
Yes.
they
Yes.
misuse they misuse the social
Yes.
platform, isn't it? I'm right.
Yes. Yes. You
you
are
know
absolutely right, sir. Yes. Yes.
yes,
Fantastic.
absolutely. do
Yeah.
you do you
One more thing. Okay.
Yeah, tell
Okay.
me.
Okay, sir. Please go ahead, sir. Please.
Do you talk with your colleague while you were you
Yes. Yes. Yes.
while on
Yes. I
duty?
was talking before a while. I was talking with a girl. That girl from Punjab. Okay. I got that girl from your Hybro application.
I say.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
After then, I was talking with her
Hmm.
before 30 minutes. I was
Yeah.
talking with her.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
no, I talked with her 30 minutes.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yes,
talked
yes.
with her before 30
30,
minutes.
I say.
Okay.
No, no, I'm talking about in you work in a military. You work
Yes,
in a
yes,
military.
yes, yes.
Uh, do you talk with your peer, with your mate, with your
No, no, no.
co-worker?
I
Do
did
you
not. I
talk?
did not talk. I did not talk, sir.
I do not talk. Not I did not. I do not talk.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
talking about
Present.
conversation. Do you practice? Do you practice with your colleagues? I'm asking to you. Do you practice with
Okay,
your
okay.
colleague or not?
Okay. Actually, who is know English or not? What
Yeah.
are you talking?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Actually, I'm gonna to talk about my course details. Like inside of our course, there is no
Mhm.
need of English language. Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Every person can able to talk in English, sir.
I see.
Okay, sir.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Unfortunately, I have to say actually. So, but I am a curious person to speak English.
No,
That's why I'm
that's
practicing. Yes.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yes.
You are very curious. What I have
Yes.
seen in you, you are very curious and you are very fond of English language. And
Yes.
you are
Yes.
fantastic. You are speaking fantastic English. You are speaking fantastic
Okay.
English.
That's right.
Believe me.
Actually, I'm not learning English for talking with my colleague inside our
Mhm.
course. Okay.
Yes, yes, I
I'm
got your point.
yeah. I'm learning English because I had a fun to speak English with someone. Because are you
I
getting, sir?
see. Yes, I got
Yes.
your point. I got your point.
That's the reason behind it. That's why I'm
Abs-
learning English. I'm trying to be fluent in English, sir. Please try to help us like as much as you can do for us, sir.
Yes, yes. I will bring a new facility over on Hybro app. I will bring soon very good facility. So it would be a very good. The
Yes, yes.
facility is very good. I'll bring soon the new facility over on Hybro app. Give me few
Okay,
days. Give me few
okay, okay.
days. Yes, sir.
So what is your further plan, sir,
Oh
on
my God.
YouTube platform? Yes, yes. No,
Right
no.
now,
This
right
question
now,
is this question is
mm,
for our all Indian people, okay, who are watching your videos nowadays. Now,
well, on a YouTube, I don't have any plan right now on a YouTube. But I have a plan on Hybro app. I have
okay,
a
okay,
plan. I have a very big plan on Hybro app. but I can't reveal right now. Let me research. Let me do research first of all, whether I
Okay,
can
okay,
implement that plan on Hybro or not. Then
okay,
I
okay,
will definitely let you know. Give me 1 2 months. Give me
okay,
one or
okay.
2 months. Then I will
I must,
definitely let
yeah,
you know.
I must say, you are trying to improve your Hybro application. Am I right, sir?
Yes, not your, our Hybro app, not
Our,
mine.
yeah,
Our. Don't say it's
yes,
not mine. It's our
yes,
Hybro app. It's
yes,
our
yes,
Hybro application. You all people are members of
yes,
Hybro
yes.
app. You know,
Yeah,
you
we
are
are
all
all
people
member.
are
Okay.
family members.
It is a making of great occasion, great happiness time that I have got your call. Fortunately, sir, I'm so
Mhm.
glad. Feels good to
Yes,
see you, sir.
yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Then, Mr. Patra, I
Before
think,
I told you, sir, because yeah.
yeah, go ahead, tell me.
Okay, okay. No, 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 sir, no, sir. Please, first
No,
of
no,
all,
no,
you should say.
go ahead, go ahead,
No,
please.
sir. Actually, before some days, I was trying to connect with you because I know that you had lots of work. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you were
Yeah,
busy in your some kind of work because you are a
yeah,
teacher nowadays.
mm-hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, definitely you must be a teacher. Okay, sir. So actually, I was looking forward to get a conversation with you.
yeah,
Okay, finally I got
yeah,
your call now. I'm so
yes.
glad, sir.
I also
I
waiting
don't
for.
have any single word. Okay, I don't have any single word. How
Mm-hmm.
to explain that? I don't know, sir. I don't know how
No,
is my English. I don't know, sir. It is up to you to take a
believe
decision
me,
about my English.
believe me, you are a fantastic guy. You need a little bit more practice. That's it. You know,
Okay.
you are a fantastic, you are outstanding. You know, whatever you told me, you know, I
Yes.
understood completely. Whatever you told me, I
Yes.
understood.
Yes.
You conveyed your message to me appropriately. You conveyed your
Yes.
message to me appropriately. I got it. Don't you worry, your
I
English
don't
is
know.
very
I don't
good.
know, sir. I'm getting nervous, sir.
It happened, it
I'm
happened.
talking to you.
It happened. This is normal. It happened. It
Yes, sir.
happened. It happened with me sometime also. Don't you worry. It's not a big deal. It's just be chill, relax. I'm your brother. I'm
Okay.
not an
Okay.
unknown person. I'm your brother. I'm not an unknown person. I'm your brother. Just chill, just relax, and keep learning, keep exploring, Mr. Patra. Bharat Mata ki jai. Allow me to go.
Okay, definitely we will allow to go. Actually, sir, what happens, sir? Sometime we mostly do not get much time to practice because of our work. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
That's why it's happening. Yeah. If I will get lots of time to practice to speak with someone, okay,
Yeah.
definitely I will be fluent person as soon as possible. I know that, but I do not get time.
Yes, yes, I understand. I understand, Mr. Patra. I understand. Don't you